Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Minecraft fan who's been pulling your hair out over Minecraft Bedrock not installing on your Windows PC, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down the common error codes, explain what they mean, dive into the possible causes, and walk you through simple solutions to get you gaming in no time. This guide is tailored for 2025, so let's jump right in. First, let's talk about that frustrating error code. You might be seeing something like 0 by 80,070,005 or exit code 1, which generally indicates a permissions issue. This means your computer is blocking the installer from accessing necessary files or folders, often due to security settings. Now, what causes this? The main culprits include an outdated Windows operating system, not enough free disk space, overzealous antivirus software interfering with the download, or even a corrupted installer file from the Minecraft website. These issues are pretty common, especially if you haven't updated your PC in a while. Alright, let's get to the fixes. Start by updating your Windows. Head to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update, and install any available updates. This could resolve compatibility problems right away. Next, check your storage. Make sure you have at least 10 to 20 gigabytes of free space on your drive. Go through your files, delete what's unnecessary, or move stuff to an external drive to free up room. If that doesn't work, temporarily disable your antivirus program. Sometimes, it mistakenly flags the installer as a threat. Remember to re-enable it once you're done to keep your PC safe. Another solid step is to run the installer as an administrator. Right-click the Minecraft installer file, select Run as Administrator, and try installing again. This bypasses permission restrictions. If you're still stuck, uninstall any existing Minecraft versions through the control panel, then download a fresh copy from the official Minecraft website. And as a last resort, restart your PC or check for hardware issues like a faulty hard drive. There you have it. Simple steps to fix that annoying installation error and get back to building in Minecraft Bedrock. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.